Good morning, students. At last class, we saw a story about Dick Kingsmith, right? Today, we are going to see new author Carol Ann Duffy. Carol Ann Duffy, who is this? Carol Ann Duffy was born in Glasgow in Scotland. She is UK's poet laureate, which means she writes poems about important events and celebrations. Carol Ann Duffy writes poems for adults and children. She has also written some plays. Carol Ann Duffy has been writing stories for children since 2009. Means Carol Ann Duffy was born in Glasgow. Okay, in where it is Glasgow in Scotland. Okay, children. She was a UK's poet. She was writing always a laureated poems. Okay, what it means she was writing about important events and celebrations. Carol Ann Duffy writes poem for adults and children also, same like Dick Kingsmith. Even though they were writing about animals, but they were writing animal books for adults and children. Here also, this poet, this author, write poems for adults and children also. She has also written some plays. Okay, even some stories they have written. Carol Ann Duffy has been writing stories for children since 2009. From 2009, they are writing stories for children too. Okay, so now Carol Ann Duffy wrote a story called The Lost Happy Endings. What do you think the story will be about? Read the opening of the story. Shall we start reading the story? The Lost Happy Ending. See, Hub's job was important and she was very proud of it. Hubs means Hubs is a name of a person. Okay, Hub's job was important and she was very proud of it. Each evening, when dusk was removing the outline of things, okay, every evening she used to remove all the dusk like a rubber. Okay, Hubs had to when Hubs had to shoulder her big green sack and carry all the happy endings of story. She always think her big sack and all carry all happy endings in each and every story, in each and every part of her story. She used to have an happy ending and she wants that only. For one from one end of this forest to the other in time for everybody's bedtime. From forest from one end of forest to other in time for every bedtime. From forest to everybody's bedtime she used to get an happy ending. Once she had reached to edge of the forest, when she went to the edge of the forest, Ab had to climb to the top of a huge oak tree. She wished that she used to climb a top of a huge oak tree. It was too tall tree. Can you see here? Hub's dream was to climb this tree. Okay. Then, still with her sake of her back and sit on the tallest branch, still her sake of her back, she got a support of her back and sat on the tallest branch. Did you see on this picture? She is sitting on that branch. Then very carefully Hub would open the snack and snake out the happy ending into a violet evening air. Means what it is saying means happily she got a sake of happy ending into a violet evening air. She got a pleasant evening air. She was good at this because she had 6 fingers on each hand. Because she was able to climb and she was able to sit and she was feeling comfortable. She was feeling happy over there. Why? Because she had 6 fingers on her each small hand. Okay, because of that only she was able to climb and she was able to sit on the branch of the tree. How beautiful poem, right? It is not a poem, but it is a story. You can see here what all she was doing in her daily life. Jab worked hard all day. She used to work hard every day. Okay. Jab liked her job. She used to like her job. Jab was good at climbing trees. She was very well at climbing trees. Jab was a human. Jab was an adult. Jab lived in a forest. She used to live in forest. She used to live in tree. It is always dark in the forest. It was an old forest. Many things lived in the forest. So she was too adult. She used to live in forest and she used to live in trees only. And it was a dark forest and it was an old forest. Many things lived in the forest. For this is the story written by Carol Ann Duffy. So thank you. Next we will see in next class.